Hi, this is Gopal Reddy, Secretary Correspondent of CMR Group of Institutions. We are having 5 colleges in our campus and nearly 10,000 students are studying in our campus. So we had a tie-up with btechguru.com and they are providing training and placement assistance. And we are also encouraging our students to become a member of btechguru.com and they are providing good support and cooperation for placements also.
Myself, Dr. M. Jangareddy, Principal, CMR Institute of Technology. I am proud to say that we are tied up with btechguru.com. These btechguru.com people are doing excellent job for future engineers. They are giving training through online. More than 500 students are taken membership with btechguru.com. All the students are trained well. Recently, we are conducted placement drives through btechguru.com.
Placement Ready is a 24/7 HD video-based training and assessment platform. The video-based learning is supported by self-assessment at every topic level. The objective of Placement Ready is to give the best quality learning that is available with the experts to students across the country through college land, online and mobile. BTech Guru conducts regular mock tests and assess students at every level. This helps students to analyze where they are weak so they could go back to the videos and learn from them. To make this happen, we have got 3,500 videos that we have recorded with various experts on various topics in an effective manner, and this helps students to learn better and benefit through Placement Ready.
Hi, I'm Kiran Kumar, Senior Manager Corporate Relations, leading CMR Group of Institutions Training and Placement Cell. In association with BTech Guru, our students are benefited in terms of online assessments, online training programs. We have been benefited in terms of campus assessments, wherein most of our third year students have been got a long-term training programs with them, and in association with them, we are very happy.
Hi, I am Victor Samuel, Placement Officer for CMR Institute of Technology. So we had MOU with the BTech Guru for the purpose of training to the students through online, and they are providing good assessments to the students so that they'll come to know where they are lagging and they can improve themselves. And we are getting good placement assistance through BTech Guru, and we are happy, and we suggest all the students to do the same.
Hi, this is Sunil Patnaik. I represent CMR EC. Coming to BTech Guru, it is a very good concept, innovative, and really students will like it because they are providing online training, online assessments, wherein people will be more interested to go into their concepts, and they will be acknowledged and encapsulated with lot of knowledge.
Hi, this is Vijay Kumar, Placement Officer from CMR College of Engineering Technology. The basic idea of BTech Guru, especially the kind of bridging what they are doing between academy and industry, is highly appreciable, and the activities what they are doing, the kind of platform they are providing is really helpful to the students.
Hi, this is Madharav. I represent CMR Technical Campus Placement Officer. First of all, I thanks to BTech Guru. They give a good opportunity to the students how to build their skills in employability. They fill up the gap between the academia and corporates.
I'm Apurva. I'm doing my computer science engineering 4th year from CMR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. I actually like to thank BTech Guru because in a single month I've had the opportunity to attend for 4 different placements, and I did get placed for 2 through BTech Guru. And coming to the videos and the portal, the training what they give, they don't just give you training in public speaking and motivation and quant and all, but then they do have a wide range of opportunities. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank BTech Guru for their support and continuous training to get us ready out there in the world.
Hello everybody, I'm Nainjeet Kaur. I'm from CMR College of Engineering and Technology, and I would seriously like to thank BTech Guru for letting me get so much of opportunities. I watched BTech Guru videos which helped me for self-motivation, and it increased my confidence, and I have got placed in Sutherland Global Services because of BTech Guru. And thank you so much BTech Guru for giving us the opportunity to find ourselves. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello, this is Kripa Patil from CMR SET. This BTech Guru, I have seen the site. We have got many things which we can learn from that, like group discussion. We prepare actually from that site for our interview and placement purposes. Thank you.